Alright, class, I know there are a lot of videos here to listen to. Unfortunately, week one reviewing the syllabus tends to be the driest and most boring part of a course. But it's important to make sure we're all on the same page. So I do ask that you please bear with me. So next I want to show you the assignment list. This is kind of an addendum to the syllabus. And this is just a list of all the assignments we're going to complete this semester with the due dates and how they will be submitted. And you can find that here right under the syllabus. You can download the PDF, or you can click right here on the icon preview button. And this is only 1 page long, fortunately. So it's taking just a second to load, but I even have it color-coded. So up here, the first few assignments, introductions, diagnostic essay, MLA review assignment, those are just short assignments to get started so we can get to know each other. I'll get a feeling for how you got for your ability as a writer, your writing style. You'll get a feel for how I'll provide feedback to you on assignments. And we'll also take a minute to review MLA, kind of a quick check-in. Do you know how to cite things in MLA style? Do you have the general idea? Then we are going to dive into the rhetorical analysis essay. So everything that revolves around the rhetorical analysis is highlighted green here. And there are a couple of assignments leading up to the rhetorical analysis. We're going to go over fallacies and discuss them via a discussion board so we know how to look for holes in arguments. We'll have exercises breaking down the 3 rhetorical appeals. We'll have a rough draft, a peer review, and revision plan discussion board. Over here on the right, I tell you how you're going to submit it. So the fallacies worksheet, that's an online worksheet. It's set up similarly to a quiz in Canvas, but it's not graded as a quiz. You will get 5 out of 5 points just for completing it. If you answer a question incorrectly, the correct answer is going to pop up. I want it to be kind of interactive and to kind of reinforce what some of those fallacies mean and what they are. Then you'll meet on the discussion board to discuss what you learned about fallacies. We'll have a brainstorming exercise about logos, ethos, and pathos, which you'll learn about in the rhetorical analysis lecture I have posted to Canvas. And you can brainstorm that on the discussion board. Then you'll send me an essay or outline via Canvas. And then you'll have a peer review and you'll post your revision plan to Canvas, or to the discussion board rather. Discussion boards are meant to be interactive. For most discussion boards, you are going to be required to have 1 post, and then you will have to post to a peer, and there will be a due date for the post that you make originally, and a due date for when you respond to a peer. Pay attention. Some discussion boards will require that you respond to more than 1 peer, depending on the nature of it. For something like a peer review, you'll only have to respond to 1 person, and that will be to whomever you choose to peer review. Alright, and then argument part 1 I have down here in this peach color. Argument part 2 is this reddish orange color, and it's kind of mixed in here with everything surrounding the literary analysis essay. And I apologize, I know a couple of due dates are a little bit out of order, and that's because I was trying to group things together as best I could. I want to note that if due dates ever do change, that is something that I would communicate with each of you via email, and I would also ensure that it would be in your favor. I wouldn't make something due sooner than what I have already planned out. Occasionally it happens where maybe I'm worried we're not all on the same page with an assignment, so I give you an extra day or two to complete something. Please keep in mind that sometimes you might have more than one assignment due on a given day. Spring break starts March 12th, so I want to ensure that you guys are taking some time to get some rest in. So you have 2 assignments that are due before spring break begins. So kind of keep an eye out for some of those things as well. All right, if you have any questions on this, let me know.